Hi, this is Tina Hughes from tinahughesonline.com, and today I want to talk to you about 5 quick YouTube viewer hacks and shortcuts. Now, these are tips that I use every day when I'm watching videos, and I'd like to share them with you. Okay, let's head over to YouTube. Tip number 1. The first thing that I do once I land on a YouTube video is I press the space bar. Now, the space bar enables me to stop the video straight away, and I often do this because my phone might be ringing or something else might be going on, so I don't want the video to start straight away. So that's just the space bar, or you can press the letter K to start and stop the video. Tip number 2. Now, I also use this every single time I start watching a YouTube video. I press the letter F for full size, so that this expands the video to take up the entire screen on my laptop, which is fantastic. So F for full screen. Tip number 3. Now, this is great if you have to increase the volume or turn it down. You need to do it in a hurry or just because you've got your hands on the keyboard. The up and down arrows on the keyboard allow you to increase or decrease. So the up arrow is to make it louder, the down arrow is to make it softer. Pretty cool, huh? Tip number 4. This one is so cool. It's the C key for captions, to turn the captions on or off. The C key is the thing that you press to turn the captions on or off. Tip number 5. Now, this is really cool. This sometimes happens, especially if I'm watching a foreign language video or a recipe or something where I have to pay really close attention. If I press the left arrow, the video will jump backwards 5 seconds. If I press the right arrow, it'll jump forwards 5 seconds. This is very handy, and yes, you can actually press either of these arrows a couple of times to go back until you get to the bit that you want to watch or listen to again. Now, that's the 5 tips for today. I hope you've enjoyed these, and if you've got any questions or want to see any of my other videos, please do check out the ones here on my channel. Now, I'm also going to be making a lot more of these quick hacks and shortcuts because I'm often helping people so much online and my clients when they've just got these little simple questions and they just don't know how to do something. So it's really easy for me to tell them really quickly, and in this video, 5 at a time. I hope you enjoyed these 5 quick YouTube viewer hacks and shortcuts. This has been tips number 1 to number 5. And if you'd like to see these in PDF format, please do pop over to my website in the link below. And hopefully I'll see you soon. Okay, ciao for now. This is Tina Hughes from tinahughesonline.com. Bye-bye.